Here at Oktra, we're not traditional, we're design and build. We will engage with the clients right at the very, very early stages. So we start right at the beginning, and then we go through the design and pre-construction phases onto site where we construct their projects, and then beyond. I am the Design Operations Director. I started as a creative designer, really loved the technical design side of things, and then I've advanced into the operations role. Bluebeam allows people to be themselves because ultimately what they're doing is putting information out of their head into a software that can then be shared electronically. Before Bluebeam, it was clunky, it was inefficient, and information would get missed.
I work closely with other designers, creatively imagining and coming up with ideas, and then technically bringing those ideas to life, mainly through the construction process on site, delivering projects. Traditionally, you would have spent, let's say, an hour marking up a few drawings. Bluebeam can be done in, let's say, 15 minutes, because you don't have the pressure of marking something up, printing it out. So I'd say that in all, Bluebeam could save you about at least 50% of your time.
My responsibilities at Oktra are overseeing the project managers and the pre-con managers. So I see a project through from beginning to end. I usually use Bluebeam for takeoffs. So whenever I'm asked to cost a project, I would take that project from the designers and I would measure everything to give me a cost plan. An example of where Bluebeam could save you money is where we have mechanical and partition overlays. So you would find that an air conditioning unit could clash with a partition, and then I could then manipulate the partition around that air conditioning unit, and this could save thousands, perhaps tens of thousands of pounds on a project. It's an effective tool of cost savings.
Compliance is huge in our industry, absolutely huge, and the onus is on us. We just did a massive 385 door exercise where we're checking doors off against a 9-storey building, and you split the screen and you're good to go. It was an incredibly strong tool, so it allows us to sit these different documents together, to cross-check them, to cross-reference them very quickly, and then I can check and make sure that we've de-risked the project and that we're compliant.
Bluebeam has a really cool tool called a stamp. So at Oktra, created our own stamp to make it clear to the joinery contractor whether a drawing is approved with comments, or rejected. So that works really, really well because you could send 50 drawings that are approved and 50 that are clearly needing some work done to them.
It's a very flexible platform and it's very easy to use. And I say that because I'm not that au fait with technology. We've got champions here and we all share our knowledge and things.
I'm the one that champions Bluebeam within our team, and yeah, my markups are very clear now. I used to scribble on a PDF, but now I use Bluebeam. There can be no misconceptions with my handwriting.
You build your toolbox, and once you build your toolbox, you're familiar with that toolbox. This is another thing about personalising it to how you work. So you personalise your toolbox. Once you've grown your toolbox and you understand the platform, you're off.
If I was to compare Bluebeam to other software of its kind, the other software is a hammer. Bluebeam is a laser because of its precision and accuracy.
I cannot imagine my day without Bluebeam. For me, it's opened at 9 and it's closed at 6, and I'm using it throughout the day.